We are staying at a Kimpton boutique hotel, the Pitman, and it is a Beaux Arts history meets minimalist luxury hotel feel. We're using the American Express Hotel Collection. We are supposed to get some type of $100 experience credit. Here it is used for food and any charges at the hotel. This is going to be a quick look around the lobby and the vibes and a room tour. Here we go with the front door. To our left is going to be a sliding door for the bathroom. Pretty big mirror. Nice little one sink area. Kind of got the black faux marble going on. Here's the amenities. Big shower, very tall ceiling. Got the very small circle, I don't know what you call these, tiles or whatever that is. White walls. Got the big stuff right there. Then I think this, I can't really tell, but I think that's like a green accent wall. We have a little privacy glass for the water closet. A little bit of artwork inside. And then out here, got the light wood flooring as well as the closet. These closets are kind of hard to open, but you got your, what do you call those things? Robes. I love it when they have robes. Then we have a yoga mat, I guess, to use, or maybe if you use it, I don't know. Well, there's a yoga mat in there. It's an option. And they have a umbrella, which is amazing. Those is great. But I always travel with my umbrella. Right here we have the kind of phone area, the mini bar. Refrigerators in here, filled with a bunch of different drinks. A lot of options. I'm not sure if there's, oh, it's just, there we go. I'm not sure if anything is down here or not. Got a lot of options. This is like, I like the design in here. But here's the room. Still got that light floor, and you have tall ceilings actually. And we're on the second floor actually, tall ceilings. We got the bed right there. Some art behind it. Everything's a very clean look. Neutral colors, but with a pop of stuff from the furniture. Like this green right here. They got like a magazine for you to look at. And we're on the second floor with no view besides this air conditioned an apartment next door. Gonna do another 360, but very like clean, nothing like super vibrant, but it's definitely a nice style. I like the high ceilings in here. So yeah, this is a Kimpton here in Dallas. There's some more color right there.